I have had it up to here with your negativity.
I've had it with these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking plane.
Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, that's it. I've had it with this lawyer.
I've had it with that sadistic, Bible-thumping boozer.
Tell him the truth.
Don't you speak to my three musketeers like that. I've had it.
Oh, you're gonna pout about it? Because I've had it up to here with the sad house guest routine.
You know what? I've had it. I can't listen to one more self-righteous chestnut out of your mouth.
I've had it! I've had it with wobbly-legged, rum-soaked pirates! I've had it.
Come and talk to
I have
me.
had it. I am up to here. I'm done, okay? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Stop it, Mo. I've had it with you. You are the cause of all of our problems since day one.
It was part of our nest when I was a baby. I've had it my whole life. It's the only thing I have left of my mother's.
I have had it. Your attitude, you're always sulking around. You brought home that piece of crap without even asking me.
That's it. I've had it with this dump. We got no food. We got no jobs. Our pets' heads are falling off.
I sent my kid off on a fishing trip with his father so that I could work with you, and you won't open the goddamn door for me. Fine, that's it. I've had it.